Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy cabbage soup that will help to prevent bloating, water weight, and also help you to lose weight. So stay tuned. So I'll be making use of cabbage, which I've already cut. You can use half cabbage. So to make this cabbage soup, I'll be making use of 1 teaspoon of garlic, ginger, celery, sliced onion, half green bell pepper, and some mint leaves. So into a preheated pan, I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I have already added the coconut oil, so I'm going to add the sliced onion. Then I also add the garlic and ginger. Then I will stir to fry for just a minute. And add any spice of your choice. I'll be making use of 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains anti-inflammatory properties. It will aid digestion and boost your metabolism. I'm going to stir to mix properly. I'll be adding oregano. I also add black pepper. You can customize this according to your choice. At this stage, I'll be adding the sliced celery, green bell pepper, mint, then I will stir. I'll also add the sliced cabbage. I will stir to mix properly. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt for taste, then I will mix properly. I'll be adding 2 cups of water. Then I will cover and allow to simmer for about 5 minutes. Minutes later, I'll be adding 1 handful of spinach. I'm adding this at this stage because I don't want to cook it for a long time. I'm just going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes, then I will turn off the heat. Combine, then cover and allow to cook for about 2 minutes. After cooking about 2 minutes, I'm going to remove from the heat. You can see that the cabbage soup is ready. You can enjoy 1 plate of this cabbage soup while warm. Eat it as your breakfast. Drink a lot of water or your healthy weight loss tea. You will notice that the is going to flush your system, detoxify your system, and help you to burn fat. The remaining one, you can eat it in the evening. I hope you can see how easy it is to make a tasty and healthy cabbage soup. This cabbage soup tastes so good. It will help you to cleanse your system, detoxify your system so that you can burn and lose weight because of all the ingredients I added. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.